Okay, what do you need to know about maintenance of a website? Because you'll see sometimes you'll build a website in WordPress and they'll give you a maintenance contract and say, we're going to charge you $300 a month to maintain your website. And first question is, does that include content publishing, or is it just maintaining the plugins and updating WordPress and doing other things for what they call security? So I would say, and the other question is, what is the response time if content publishing is included or design time is included? And like in our company, we hate voicemail. So, I mean, we don't have it anymore, but we used to have live answering service. We just don't, we're not geared for that many calls, but you're going to get a response within the same day from our team, maybe within an hour, because we all live on emails. And the idea of maintenance really is to get some insight into how much you're going to be updating your website every month or every quarter. So you can choose different maintenance plans from companies. Sometimes it's monthly, sometimes quarterly, sometimes annual. But really, the main thing to look at is how many plugins do you have inside your WordPress installation? And then you got to determine plugins get updated every month. So are those plugins things that are victims of hacking? Are they getting a lot of security notices? And what's your risk tolerance? So granted, hundreds of thousands of websites are getting penetrated on WordPress all the time. But most of the time it's because they don't do the updates routinely. So I would say you should update at least a couple of times a year, if not quarterly. And I'm not sure you need to spend $200 or $300 a month, but try to negotiate a little bit of service with a routine plan so that you're not just paying for insurance and you're actually getting something out of it. So maybe negotiate for a few hours of work that doesn't get billed every year if you're doing a yearly plan.